On YouTube live.
Live?
Yeah, no, not.
You're not live. I'm live.
No, it's not going on live. It's just
I'm bringing up good jokes today.
Hey, Pierre, you want to be on YouTube?
I'm gonna be on a stink. Ooh.
I jacked
I'm
him
gonna
up.
stop it. I'm stopping at 3.
No, don't you dare! I'ma fall off.
Carefully. My turn. Put me on YouTube, bro.
Oh shoot!
After me, I'll let you go again, okay?
Okay, wait. Let me go. At least. Oh, look at that motorcycle. That's my dad's motorcycle. You see it? Look over here. Look, come. I'm tracking it. Look, you see it? Wait. You wanna know what it is?
Bro, it's my turn. And then I'll let you go.
Whoa! Look! Look! These nuts. Got it.
Look at these nuts. These nuts are safe. You let me
These nuts, your face.
Bro, it's my turn.
Oh, whoa!
Whoa, let me ride.
Look at them faces.
Stop.
Them
Bro, it's
little-
my turn. It's my turn, finally. Oh, I have to use this leg first. Ow.
He's breaking it.
Okay.
Bro, you.
This thing jacked up.
This thing hates you.
No, you need to get on it safely.
Finally.
Nice. My turn.
I messed up. Oh, when I do time, I think they like me. Hey, it's my turn.
No, I'm cheating. This is cheating. This is cheating.
I have a good idea. Pierre puts 2 feet on that one.
Oh, look, Kaleem.
Where?
Run, Pierre.
Go get him. Go. He's just getting around.
Yeah.
Get off here. Get off here. Go get him.
Why? When I can't jump.
Pierre, run, hurry before he gets you. Go. Pierre, go.
I can go faster than that. I can barely go 2 miles per hour.
No.
This could go like 450 miles per hour.
Bro, if I beat you in the race,
Okay, fine. Let's race.
stays.
You and me.
If I lose, no.
No, you and me are
If
racing.
no, whoever wins gets to use the hoverboard anytime they want.
Hey, you and me are racing. Come on.
No, I go first. You have to
No,
time- you have to
no,
time
Pierre.
us on the
No,
phone.
I just want to race. I just want to race to put on YouTube.
On feet?
Yeah, right here.
Feet, okay. Give it to Pierre. Pierre.
No. I'll record from here. Hey, no, this is my sign. Okay, we make a circle 2 times, 3 times. This is Mario
1,
Kart.
2, 3.
Yeah. Me. Okay.
Stop right here.
Ready, set, go. Look at that flash. Okay, I give up.
I said stop. Y'all have to run.
Not hoverboard time.
Stop! Houston! You can't just take me off like that.
Yeah,
They
he
can
can.
take you off. Okay, if I can go 60 miles per hour, you will let me ride it?
Yes.
Okay, deal. I'm about to.
You know, that's
I'm about
impossible.
to lean like this. Good. I'm about to lean like that. Who dares me to lean like that?
Hey, go. Do the
Hey, I dare you to lean.
per hour.
Hey, Pierre, I'm asking you a question.
Run, 60 miles. I won't come around. That's
Lean?
60 miles per hour.
Pierre, lean at a 90-degree angle.
That's gonna be hard.
You have to do this. Just do this.
Here.
Ah!
Okay, Pierre, just lean. I zoomed in into your butt.
You have to touch the stand. You just fixed it up.
Okay. Well,
Touch it. I'm the problem Sam's brother.
That's the only one that.
Houston, be careful! You're gonna fail. Oh, you touched. Hey, he's pooping.
No, he's taking the turn.
Yeah, that's what he's doing.
I'm taking a turn.
Okay, I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Bye.
Bye.